So yeah, we're talking about the sound test today. So we'll try it out, whether you can tell different types of jade with the sound. And then let's listen to the sound of real jadeite, natural jadeite. Okay, so here we go. I've got another piece of jadeite. This is a red jadeite that has been heat treated. Sounds similar. I'm not perfect pitch, so maybe musicians or those with perfect pitch might find it easier to differentiate. And this is a thinner natural jadeite. This is what do you call it? 水墨子. So basically, it exists alongside with jadeite, but it's not jadeite. Higher pitch. This is Guatemalan jadeite. Just now, those were Burmese jadeite. Quite high pitch as well. Guatemalan jadeite as well. I've got a thin one. It's a crisp sound. Now we're going to try serpentine. So serpentine, it's got a duller sound because serpentine is not as compact as jade. That's why it's actually softer than jade because the materials are not as tightly bound together. This is called jia cui, which is actually a mix between tremolite, which is the major maker of nephrite, as well as serpentine. And it's called jia cui because it looks like jadeite. So it's jia. They use another word for jia, which means fake jadeite. Now this one, do you realize it's actually a lot higher pitch than the serpentine just now? Possibly because it's tighter in terms of its makeup. We have the moss agate, which is agate, right? That's really nice sound. And then we've got quartzite. So this is 舍太翠 from Mongolia, Mongolian quartzite. It's a duller kind of sound. We've got this beautiful agate as well. It looks like autumn leaves falling. And let's see. This is a really nice serpentine. Let's see. They call it Flora serpentine. 花玉. Yeah, duller than jadeite. I have another moss agate. Oh, I really like the sound of agate. Compared to agate, I think we're more or less done with our sound experiment. It is possible to tell the sound of jadeite if you are good with identifying different kinds of pitches of sound. So that's probably one of the tests. But what if you have a treated jadeite? Would it sound different?